Hey team, Pearl Lemon. This is the lead submission form. This is where we're going to be ultimately putting in all of the appointments or anything promising that we generate. Now, as you can see, hopefully it's quite clear. Some of these elements may change over time, but fundamentally we've got the client details. So in here there should be the campaign name. If there isn't the campaign name, then let one of the management team know, and they should be able to add the client's name in. Okay, so that's the first thing. Then you've got the client's website URL, just to cross-reference. This may disappear, but certainly the client's website name is going to be, of course, super important. The prospect would be the person that you're talking to. So if you called me, it would be Deepak. My last name would be that. Now, this isn't going to be mandatory because we might not always get the last name. The email, you're going to get it from the phone call. The website you should get from the phone call. Okay. The phone number you should get from the phone call, and yeah, add the geographical, add the international prefix, because if you're calling the US or the UK or Spain, it's going to be different numbers. Okay, so just think about that. If you've got their LinkedIn profile, if you've got it, do add it. Okay, that would be great as well. So then, in terms of the lead details, what is it that they want? You can see you've got the date of the booking. If it's for for example, tomorrow, a quick way is to do that. And then today's time of recording is 3rd of July. So I put 4th of July, fantastic, and then the time they're calling is 2:15 p.m. You see the call recording. If it's available, then there's another video that should be here showing you how to upload to SoundCloud and sharing the URL. You might not always have that, but hopefully you will. Screenshot, and now if it's available, depending upon where it happened, on email, for example, when you got a response, your own name here. So it's Crystal. Hey, I've got a meeting, and anything else you want to add in here in case there's something that's missing from this form or something that is worthy of including here. So I hope that makes sense. If you've got any questions, let us know. But that is how to use this form. Good luck, and keep going and doing fucking amazing work.